Okay guys, welcome. How you doing today? Wow, how was your day? Okay, so today we are going to pick these shapes and we are going to explain them one after the other. But I'm going to turn it into a series whereby we can also learn how to make them and principles and some tools that we can learn as we are working with them. So let us start the chase. Yes. So looking at this first one, this is the first shape we're going to work on. This one. So how do we reproduce this? Okay. So let's get going. So what you're going to do here first, you're going to bring a circle. Let me pick it so I can be able to pick it, see it. Yes. Okay. Let me separate it from the group. So you want to do that, just click on rectangle, highlight over the shape. Okay. Hold your shift, select the picture, because this is a picture. I intercept and I bring it out. Yes, that is that. Good. Okay, so let's focus on it now and let's achieve this. Okay, for us to duplicate this, or for us to be able to achieve this graphics here, it's very simple. We can do that. Just first take a circle. As you're drawing the circle, hold your control to make a perfect circle. Okay, so once you've done the circle first one, shrink it to some extent. Just let it be small. Okay, so I got some duplicates. Okay, then while you're shrinking it, hold your shift, it's going to get small. Okay, good. Then now as you're dragging from this side, hold your shift so you can be able to increase. Good. Then remember, as you're holding your shift and increasing, you right click also to duplicate. Okay, right clicking while holding down your left click will give you grace to be able to duplicate it out. Okay, once you've done this one, now next thing we're going to do is what, we'll click on this inner circle. Now for me to explain what is going on here, let me give these two circles different color. I give this one blue and I give this one, let's say, green. Now this big one is on top, so let's send it to the back. You can hold your shift and say shift page down. Do you see it now? Okay, let me align it. Shift page down. Okay, now once you've done this, now you see this blue is actually on top of this green. Okay, so but I want to use this blue and to cut this green, so I will hold my shift, select this green, and I will see these guys here, these buttons here, look for trim. That is it. Click on it. Now you can easily remove this. Do you see it now? Good. Then now you take another shape, rectangular shape, you drag it over the donut for like that is formed. Okay, now once you drag this over, good. Next we're going to do is what, we will duplicate it, Control D. Yes, then we're going to make this other rectangle to be 90 degrees, to be like straight line down. So selecting it, highlight here, put 90, press enter. You see now you have a flat line down rectangle. Good. Now we're going to use each of these rectangle to intercept these donuts. Then finally we're going to use this rectangle to intercept themselves to achieve this product. Are we there? Good. Now clicking on this rectangle, let me say give it a color. Let's say give it ash. Click on this rectangle now. Hold your shift key, select the donut sign. Good. Once you've done that, look at these guys here. Look for the one that called intercepts. Have you seen it? Good. Click on it. Now nothing happened, right? No problem. Click back on this rectangular bar and send it to the back by pressing shift page down. Okay, now over here we have gotten an intersection of this rectangle and this donut. So clicking on this place, you can give it what, yellow. Do you see that now? Good. Let's do the same step. Next rectangle, click on this one, you can give it a color. This one I'm giving all this color is for us to differentiate what we are doing. Later on we are going to color it and to look exactly like this one that we have here. So selecting this one now, the same step, hold your shift, select the donut sign, intercept. Okay, this time around I can actually color it, the intersection. So when we make it, send this one to the back, you can actually see it immediately. So click on the rectangle now, hold your shift and say shift page down, sending this rectangle to the back. You see now we now have this intersection and this intersection. Now finally let's create this middle intersection. Click on this rectangle, hold your shift, click on this other rectangle and what, intersect it. Yes, you see we have learned on that new tool called intersection. So click on it. We can give it on that any color we like. We can say blue. Okay, now we're not seeing it now, no problem. What you're going to do, click on this rectangle, send to the back, shift paste down. Good, you see it now. So we have gotten all our shapes, this rectangle, the donut, the intersections, and this rectangle. Now let's color it to this. We click on this rectangle, put it black. Okay, click on this rectangle, put it black. Okay, yes. Then now click on this donut, give it ash. Okay, you can make it a lighter ash, anyone you like. Good. Then click on intersection, give it lighter. Okay, or you can give it white. Fine. Click on this other one to give it what? White. Let's give it a donut and let's give it a little bit darker, that ash. Good. Then click on this one in the middle and give it what? White. So guys, here you have it. Though it is not exactly, but you can be able to use these tools to make your own even more perfect than what I've done. Okay, so I want you guys to work on it. Make sure you use these tools and make sure you learn it effectively. It's going to help you in the long run. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips like this, to be able to get more information on how to be a better designer with Corel Draw. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.